official unboxing of Nike's band. Lots of bubble wrap. Ooh, a shiny silver box.
Ooh, that looks good.
Okay. Now I have to figure out how to open it. So how it works. Measures your everyday activity and turns it into Nike Fuel. It also tracks each step and calorie burn, displaying it at the press of a button and syncs with your mobile phone or computer. If that doesn't impress you, it's also a great watch. So I just want it for the watch. The front cover. Hey, Nike Plus setup, download, plug in, get moving. I really love the packaging here. Here's the band itself. So I think I ordered a medium, if I remember correctly. This might be an issue. Okay. Oh, no, I think a medium is right. Hey! Alright, once we charge it up, we'll do another video. And just discovered the compartment inside, the USB cable, warranty card. It's interesting if you do have sizing issues. Apparently there's a little adjustment piece. I don't know how that works, but I guess it's a little extra piece you can put on to the band to make it a little bit bigger. It's good to know. Don't know what this thing is. Or this is the sizing piece. Got it. This is the key to open it. A lot of little nifty bits. Ooh. A nice Nike logo. But no battery. So after charging it, and it's a little finicky with different MacBook Pros, had to use another one for it to work, something with Lion and not Snow Leopard on it. Got it synced, and also got the app on my phone, got that synced after I updated. So it shows you your fuel, your calories, your steps, time. So far I've got 4 fuel, which equates to about 1 calorie for me. Steps, I haven't even moved since I've used it, but here we go. Looks really cool.